Good morning students. Today we will continue our GK period again. So in last class we have discussed about unscrambled words, right? Today we will download a PDF first, then we will discuss the remaining topics. So in last class we have finished till this one, right? Colorful India. Now we will discuss about use the word in the box to fill up the blanks. As most of these students are not having textbook, so I have written the answer again, so you can use it in your exam time also, and you can also find the answers on the portal, okay, GK portal, which is been added in your group description. So let's continue our class. Katputli. So Katputli is this one, okay. Katputli, these are made of woods and clothes. So Katputli is a type of string puppet. So this type of puppets, or this type of puppets are controlled with the help of some strings, okay. I think you all are familiar, you have shown in movies also. So this type of Katputli are commonly known in Rajasthan, okay. So this type of Katputli dance is done in Rajasthan, okay, Rajasthan theater. People used to pay money for watching this Katputli dance. Some people control this Katputli by using some wooden uh, what some kind of wood tools or something like that. So these colorful puppets controlled by string that passes from the top of the puppet to puppeteers. Puppeteers cut, okay. Puppeteer cut means wood. Puppeteers mean the one who control this puppet using that wood, okay. So putli means the doll. This one is called putli, and cut means the wood that is connected with the string. Dolls is made of wood, cotton cloths, and metal wire. So these are bangles. These are glass bangles, okay. These are glass bangles, and some are crystal type bangles, okay. Not exactly glass, but crystal type bangle. So mm, so this Muradabad in Uttar Pradesh. So there is a state, sorry, I mean district, which is Muradabad in Uttar Pradesh, okay. Uttar Pradesh state, and is famous for colorful bangles that are usually made of glass or acrylic, that is uh, that crystal, okay. Uttar Pradesh, the right answer is Uttar Pradesh. So Uttar Pradesh is famous for glass bangles, and Rajasthan is famous for what? Puppets, okay. Puppets, string puppets. Now number 3. Okay. So number 3 is about if you walk through the narrow street of the ancient city, you will find certainly many people wooden and dolls. So these are called wooden dolls, okay. These are called clay dolls, wooden dolls, okay. So these dolls are commonly made in Varanasi. So Varanasi is the largest producer, means the seller of wooden toys and dolls in India. So Varanasi is famous for wooden dolls, okay. These dolls are small size. Dolls are in small size. Then let's go to number 4. So number 4 is kites. So we all know about kites, right? Kite is what? Lekachai. So kites are flown by people across India. So we all know kites, and we used to fly in our childhood, right? I think most of the students are still used to fly on winter. So winter vacation. So every year Gujarat, so the state of Gujarat, they are having a kite festival. So this kite festival is hosted international, name is International Kite Festival, called Uttarayan. So this kite festival in Gujarat is known as Uttarayan. Month before the festival, before starting this festival, different people in Gujarat started making different types of kite. So this is also a kite, okay. This is also a kite. So different types of kite. So different types of kite different types of kite which is known as Uttarayan, and it is celebrated by the in the end of summer vacation, to, I mean sorry winter vacation, to uh, to welcome the new summer vacation by the farmers. Okay, this festival Uttarayan take place on the day of the signals the end of the winter. So this Uttarayan festival does not have any particular date. They just guess the day, like they guess the summer vacation then by the farmers. Then they start making some kites and celebrate this festival. Okay, so uh, they welcome back the sun and the harvest season, which is harvest season means agriculture. Okay, harvest season, which is called Makar Sankranti. It is only mid-April, only sorry, January, I guess. So I am a little bit confused. Kumartuli. Kumartuli is the area in North Kolkata. So Kumartuli is area in North Kolkata. The potters who live here are very talented. The sculpture, painted and decorated gods and goddess are pujas in the state of West Bengal. So West Bengal is famous for clay sculpture or clay idols. Okay, and Varanasi is famous for dolls, right? Wooden dolls and colorful dolls. And what Rajasthan is popular for puppets. So Kolkata in North Kolkata, Kumarti in Kumarti village, North Kolkata. Okay, Kumartuli is an area in is a village in North Kolkata. There are different peoples used to make different this type of big type of sculpture or maybe some clay statues. Okay, clay statues that are used for pujas means some rituals. So there is a task. So this one is a task. Every year the King Momo Carnival is held on the street of which state? So you need to find this answer. You need to find this particular answer. And so this one is the carnival. Okay, King Momo Carnival. So you need to find this answer and try to send this answer to my WhatsApp or maybe on my GK Doubt Form portal. Okay, so that's all for today.